Hi, good morning, greetings of the day. It's my pleasure to meet you, although in Innovative Mahatma Innovation Technology Welfare Society for better communication and remote activity of our volunteers in India. And I would like to express my heart of gratitude to them to chosen me to deliver a speech. So I introduce myself. I am a Dr. N. Inayatullah, founder and CEO of Simcare Solution. So we are doing the international consultancy service. It's purely aquaculture based company. We are develop the technology and development. We are traveling towards sustainable aquaculture in the worldwide. We are doing the national and international level projects, aquaculture, all activities. It's always seem impossible until it's done, said Nelson Mandela. I have completed my schooling in government schools in various states, particularly in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. I have started my undergraduation in Department of Zoology, Chidambaram, Government Arts College. I achieved in first class in 1997. In the same college, there came external examiner, conduct the practical exams, who had suggested to me join in the aquaculture group in Center of Advanced Study in Marine Biology. Reason is I performed very well. All practicals I will get the first mark. So that external examiner strongly recommended this type of attitude, the way of presentation, people will be reflected different way, reflected in this type of industry. So he is strongly recommended to the aquaculture group. So I recommended my father. I want to join this course, but he is not allowed me. Reason, so I am only full dependent in the parents. So that time my father was transferred to the another state. That time I want stay and study the hostel life. So I am only one son. So my parents not allowed the hostel. So if you want, you will possible to go to the day scholar. So my father suggests me zoology, MSc zoology, nearby college. That time I strongly told my father. So my aim is I want completed my master degree in aquaculture. Otherwise I am not possible to study. Please leave it. I will inform my father. So my father finally allowed to the interview. That aquaculture seats only limited per year, 24 seats only allotted in the university. So I will finally select the board. I will get the admission. My father finally accept my admission. I joined my course in aquaculture in Center of Advanced Study in Marine Biology. So that time he will supported lot of the things for my development. See, a dull mind gets bored easily. A curious mind expands forever. So I continued and completed my post-graduation successfully and got the first class in 1999. My post-graduation I have done my research work on topic of biodiversity of shrimp seeds in Pichavaram mangroves. That is nearby our university. We having a well potential area. This is a Sundarban. It's a mangroves bank. That we will conduct the research work. What is the research work means? We are going to the every full moon and new moon. We went to the coastal estuary, that area, mangroves area. We'll put the net and collect the shrimp seeds and the seaweeds. What are the available things? Everything will be collected. All samples, all specimen will be collected. Come onto the lab. Come and sit, and each and every species want to identify. What is the species? What is the seaweed? What is the seaweed? This typely we are different way we were analysis and get the report. This report want a season to season. How is it differentiated? Season to season how will be varied. That type of we are covered our MSc project. That Pichavaram mangroves, that work will be already conducted in the National Institute of Engineering Institute. Already completed that work. that year will be deferred. So how to environmental parameters will be changed, how the everything will be changed, what are the biodiversity will be deferred, everything will be. We are recently that when are doing the MSc, that time we will analyze everything to the comparative study of NEERI. So here I would like to express my gratitude and also proud to be a student of Dr. Syed Ajmal Khan. My MSc research guide is Dr. Professor Ajmal Khan. He is a professor in Indian biodiversity scientist in Annamalai University. He is completed a PhD in Germany. Who is my research guide and who is identified 4 species in bacteria. Recently identified the bacteria that Space Research Station. That one of the famous person, Dr. Ajmal Khan. That methyl bacteria, that bacteria is methyl bacteria. That bacteria will be named as a Dr. Syed Ajmali. That person will be my research guide. Dr. Ajmal Khan is my research guide in MSc. Success does not come to you. You need to go to it. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Like that, I started my career. I got into the field work and have joined in the field service officer WOCAD Limited. So when I completed my master degree, I will get the campus interview. Campus interview, I will selected to the WOCAD company. I will join the field service officer. That field service officer means we are having a lot of farmers is there available in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh area. That farmers we want to sell the product. So sell the product means not marketing. We want sell the technical. We want to explain the product, how to this product work, what is the benefit, how to control the production cost. This type of things we want to explain the farmer, then sell our products. That's the type of activities I will making that initially. Then later I will get promoted, that I will get the chances to the another company. It's a Salem Microbes Private Limited. That company also like probiotics and growth promoters. So aquaculture industry, we are using the water culture. That water culture we are using a lot of things, feed and everything. Animal will be grow, every waste will be in water will be polluted. That polluted will be solved. What the solution is, we are using the microbes. Soil polluted means we are introduce the beneficial bacteria into the soil. That bacteria will be clean the every waste and everything sludgy, everything will be clean. The soil will be cleaned. Same like water having a polluted. That water pollution also we rectified. Same water beneficial bacteria inoculate to the water. So that aquaculture ecosystem we will maintain without pollution. Once we complete the aquaculture, once release the water means that water will be good source, enriched, nutritionally enriched, but harmless water. That type of we will treat the water, aquaculture water. That type of products we are selling through technical the farmers. This typely I will start my career. Life it's our teacher and you are in state to constant learning. So I have joined complete my MSc, my MPhil, Master of Philosophy in Zoology, specification with aquaculture. This MPhil 1 year I will do the research work in that time 2008 Indian culture species is tiger. It's a black tiger prawn. That black tiger prawn how will be cultivation in different area. What are the problem we are facing? What is the ecological parameter comparative study and what are the strains? Before that I told no. Culture means we are using different type of probiotics, water, soil and animal intake, that gut probiotic, that type of probiotic, how it's work, what concentration. That comparative study I will completed the MPhil research work. It's very helpful to my career and move to the next stage. And so my guide is my MPhil guide is Dr. S.M. Rafi. He is associate professor in Department of Aquatic Biology and Fisheries, University of Kerala. He is dynamic person. He's a very interested, good talented person. Once completed my MPhil, after that I joined in Biomin Singapore Private Limited as a business development manager. This one is based at Singapore company. So everything will be, operations will be in Singapore. We are promoted the products in total Tamil Nadu and Kerala. I will in charge. Same way, same probiotics will be imported from other countries out of India. Sell our product with the technical support. So business development manager. So good things come to those who hustle. I got promoted to the assistant manager to regional manager. If you offered seat on your racket or a ship, don't ask what seat. Just go get on. As per I have joined a dedicated to my hard work to R&K Agro and Chemicals Private Limited, Hyderabad based company. This is based at Hyderabad, produce the animal feed. The animal shrimp feed, it's a nutritionally balanced diet for shrimp farming. This is I am in charge in 2 states. Under my control manager around 10 staffs. I do the best performance. I developed myself. I joined as a regional manager. Later I promoted with senior regional manager with a good increment. That way I will move. In between I will completed my course. This one is the diploma course in conducted by NABARD managed. I completed 2 courses, 2019 one course and 2011 one course. The National Institute of Agriculture and Extension Management. I got the proper license, valid license. My license number is TN 1683. Once I get the license, I am a panel valuer of commercial bank, aquaculture projects. Some farmers need the loan means you will approach the bank means bank people will be approach me. What are the protocols we are followed? What is the reality? What is the practical things? I will give the presentation, the project to the bank. Bank will be based on that report only. If loan will be allotted to the farmer. So that position I will capture through this diploma courses I completed. Always walk through life as if you have something to learn, and you will something learn and you will. In the way I have registered my PhD awarded in the year of 2019. My research topic is culture of Lithopenaeus wanami, white leg shrimp, American white leg shrimp. Nowadays the recent trends is the white leg shrimp is the very famous and all over the world. So India cultured most around the major production doing the Lithopenaeus wanami. Major of the production will be exported. 95% of the production will be exported in the US market and European market. So highly demanded this product. So most of the coastal area and inland area also developed a lot of culture activities will be developed. The development will be having a based on lot of production will be increased means the profit level will be come down. Reason day by day that profit level come down means that way I will fix my research work. Feed is the major input cost of aquaculture activities. So this one is contribute major cost. So how control the feed? Once we will control the feed means we will reduce our production cost. Once we will reduce the production cost means automatically farmer get the more benefit. So that way I will think and I selected my topic in recent technology of auto feeder. Auto feeder having a lot of technology in already technology is there in the industry. 360 degree auto feeder technology already launched. That technology will be failure, not successful in all area. So what I think 180 degree concept. This is a recent technology. It's easy to handle. I'll think and select this topic and I'll do research work in my own ponds and my customer ponds. I will get the data result. Once we will control the auto feed means automatically control the water pollution and soil pollution. This pollution will be controlled means automatically system will be in control, animal will be grow fastly, everything will be controlled. Our cost maintenance costs also come down. So this part we will reduce our production cost. Once we will reduce the production cost means our farmer profit will be increased. That typely I will do the research and I will submit my PhD. He is awarded. The main things overseas is A examiner is also awarded my PhD, so easily I will get my PhD awarded.